in today's how-to video, we're going to show you how we change the cabin filter in a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Now, Hyundai recommends that you change this filter once a year or every 15,000 miles. And they will also do it for you for considerably more than you can do it for yourself. The filter costs us $13. We will have a link in the description box down below. It's not a difficult job and no tools are required, but know your limits. Now, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box, so we need to get this out of the way. Make sure that you have this empty though. Just like that. Over here is the dampening rod. We've tried this so many ways to show you how easy it is to come off, and it comes out that Cheryl can do it easiest. I keep blocking the camera. So there you go, that takes that out the way. Now in here, you have a slot on both sides. Okay?
See the slot?
And what that allows you to do is towards the back, pull in, pull down. These are stops right here that are stopping it from going any further down. And then just let it fall. All right, once the glove box is down, this panel right here needs to come off. And what you do is you squeeze these two sides over here that Cheryl squeezed and pull it out all the way. And there is the cabin filter. Reach under here like this and just pull it right out. And yeah, look at all that crap in there.
It's a little dirty.
That's a dirty filter. Okay, so we will be changing that.
Let's get the new one.
All right, so you're probably looking going, well, which is the dirty one? Well, the one on the right is the one that we just pulled out of the Tucson. That is dirty. The one on the left is brand new. The reason it looks dirty is because it has activated carbon in it, which is a better material than just the plain paper filter. So we're gonna go put that in and call it a day. Okay, so airflow pointing down. I'm gonna turn it so that it's the right way to go in. Line it up, just push it in just like that. I'm gonna take the door, slip it under there, come back, push it in. Look, it's changed. That's how simple it is.
Now we have to put the glove box back in.
Yeah, so again back here, we're gonna push in on these two sides to get it up to stop it. And then the damping rod, Cheryl's right there. There you go. All right, there you go. That's how simple it is to replace the cabin air filter. And what a cabin air filter does is it will catch the pollen, the dust, being activated with the carbon. It will also take care of odors from exhaust or things outside. All that being said, that's blowing through your vents and it's all been filterized. But you're driving down the street, you put your window down, it all goes out the window. Anyway, that's just how simple the job is. We hope you learned something and enjoyed this video, and if you did, we appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the We Are Mud Fun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. When you're done, don't forget to ring the bell. You'll be notified every time we put a new video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We Are Mud Fun.
Bye.